fix an off mood and become productive quickly is one of the most common queries I encounter when meeting clients. Today, I want to share 5 simple yet powerful strategies along with a quick hack to lift your mood, turn a bad day around, and help you get into a productive flow, even when you're not feeling your best. Let's dive in. Begin your day with self-care. This might be taking a refreshing shower, doing a bit of light exercise, or even spending a few extra minutes on your skincare routine. This isn't just about feeling clean. It's a mental reset. Doing what makes you feel good sets a positive tone for the day. Engaging in self-care routines boosts dopamine, which plays a key role in motivation and reward. When you're feeling down, sometimes the best thing to do is just treat yourself. Try spritzing on your favorite perfume and pair it with a bite of your go-to comfort food. It might seem like a small gesture, but taking a moment for yourself in this way can really help lift your mood and remind you that little joys can make a big difference. Also, don't forget to play some soothing ambient music in the background. It can create a calming atmosphere that helps you stay in the flow. When your mood is not good, soothing music with its calming melodies and soft harmonies offers a refuge from the chaos of negative thought. Turning on your favorite playlist that you always love to listen to can also evoke happy memories and provide some much needed me time that uplifts your soul. On those off days, it's easy to get caught up in negative thoughts. Instead, take a few moments to just breathe and be present. Taking a moment to pause and breathe can make a big difference. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Treat yourself with the same compassion you'd offer to someone you care about. Mindfulness practices like breathing exercises lower cortisol levels, helping reduce stress and improve overall mood. Next, stick to must-to-do. When you're feeling overwhelmed, it's wise to focus solely on the day's essential tasks. Ask yourself what truly needs to be done today. By concentrating on just the necessary elements, you avoid getting bogged down in the details. Simplifying tasks minimizes stress and prevents your brain from feeling overwhelmed. Also, allow yourself to take short, purposeful breaks. Whether it's enjoying a cup of tea, stepping outside for some fresh air, or engaging in a quick creative activity, these pauses help your brain recharge and refocus. Here's a quick hack to ensure your day doesn't go to waste. When you're not feeling your best and heavy tasks seem overwhelming, consider shifting your focus to smaller, more manageable activities. Use moments of boredom to tackle essential routine chores, like cleaning out the cupboard or organizing the storeroom. That, while seemingly minor, give you a sense of accomplishment. Alternatively, you might spend some time on self-improvement or learning new skills that don't require intense focus. Whether you're reading, watching a short motivational video, or exploring new stress management techniques, these breaks can help redirect your energy from negativity. In doing so, you not only maximize your day and ease lingering guilt, but you also build momentum to overcome negative feelings and return to your usual productive self. So, there you have it. By integrating these strategies into your daily routine, you can overcome negative moments and create a path towards a more productive, positive day. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on improving your mental well-being. Stay well and see you next time.